Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami heart that I just designed recently. And yeah, and I'm going to teach you all how to fold it right now. Alright, let's get started. So for this model I'm going to use a 6 by 6 inch square of kami origami paper, but you could use any type of square paper for this. Okay, so to make a pink heart, we're going to begin with the pink side up, and we're going to fold diagonally in half. Okay, unfold, rotate so the crease is vertical, and fold in half the other way, diagonally. Okay, don't unfold this time. Now take this corner and fold it to the top. We're making a water bomb base. Okay, turn over right to left and fold this corner to the top. Okay, now we're going to open the pocket and bring the sides together like this and flatten it. And here we have the water bomb base. Okay, now rotate it like this, and now we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it to here. And try and keep these layers down so they don't slide like this. Oh, make sure the paper doesn't get bunched up there. Unfold, now turn over, and let's just loosen this crease up like this, and let's reverse it. Okay, now we're going to do is we're going to rotate, and we're going to take these two flaps and we're going to fold them to the top. Okay, unfold, and now we're going to take these two corners and fold them to here. Okay, unfold, and we're going to repeat on the back side. So take the two corners and fold them to the top. Okay, and now fold the two corners to there. Okay, and now we're going to do is we're going to take this raw edge and we're going to fold it up right on this existing crease. And then we're going to collapse like this. And you're doing it on existing creases, so it should be pretty easy. Okay, so it should look like a house shape. Alright, and repeat on the back side. There we go. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap and we're going to fold it up in between this corner and this corner. And be careful so you don't rip the paper on the two corners. And repeat it right here too, and also on this side. So in between this corner and this corner. Alright, and the back side. On this side you can just take this raw corner and fold it to that corner. Okay, and same here. Take this corner and fold it to here. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap and we're going to kind of drag it up. And how far do you want to fold it up? Well, we're making a pinch mark actually, but we're going to bring it up so that the pinch mark we're going to make right here aligns with this edge below. So just kind of drag the paper up until you see that edge, and then make a crease mark that aligns with it. Alright, and now fold this corner to the crease mark you just made. Okay, and now unfold and tuck it inside like this. Alright, and now we're gonna do the same thing with this flap, and you don't have to make the pinch mark for this, just fold it up over the edge and then tuck it inside like that. Alright, and repeat on this side as well. So we have to make the pinch mark here, so drag it up until you see the edge below, and then make the crease mark, and now fold to the crease mark you just made. And then tuck it inside. And then this flap, fold it over the edge, and then fold it in like this. Alright, and here we have the heart taking shape, but we're not done yet. We still need to make the crevice. So for the crevice, we're gonna take these two flaps. We're gonna do one at a time. So you want to fold this up, and I'm aligning this corner with that crease under it, and I'm folding it so that the distance from this point and this point is the same as the distance from this point to here. So this is equal to this. It doesn't need to be perfect. This is just the crevice. Just eyeball it and crease sharply. Unfold, and let's do the same thing here. I'll actually keep that folded first. And this one you can just fold so that this fold hits this point right here. See? So those 2 points meet. Unfold, and we're gonna reverse fold them. Let's do open here and reverse. And same here too. Okay, and if you like the heart like this, then you're done. It looks okay like this, but I don't really like how it's open all over the place. I mean, it's nice like this because it's completely double-sided. It's the same on the other side, but if you want to just kind of close this off a little bit, then here's what to do. It's not going to be quite as double-sided though, because look, on the other side you're going to have these flaps. But that's okay. I actually prefer the model like this anyway, because it's cleaner. So we're just folding these edges in just a little bit. It doesn't matter how much, just a little bit like this. Okay, and this one. Try and make them all about the same length. Or maybe not. Just fold them to taste. And here too. And also on this side. And once you do that, your origami heart is all done. Yeah, I think this is a pretty cool model here. Yep, and Valentine's Day is fast approaching. And yeah. So, hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed making this origami heart. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye-bye, and happy Valentine's Day.